Best Laptops for Graphic Designers in 2025. A complete guide. In the world of graphic design, having the right tools makes all the difference. Whether you're a professional designer working on high-resolution projects or a student learning the basics, investing in the best laptop for graphic design is crucial. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, we've got you covered. This guide will walk you through the top laptops for graphic designers in 2025, considering performance, display quality, portability, and budget. To look for in a laptop for graphic design. Before diving into the list, let's quickly cover the essential features you should consider. 1. Display quality and resolution. A high-resolution display with accurate color representation is a must. Look for at least a Full HD 192080 display, though 4K screens are preferable for detailed design work. Processing power. Graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, 3D rendering tools require a powerful processor. An Intel i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 or higher is ideal. 3. Graphics card GPU. For 3D modeling, video editing, or intensive rendering, a dedicated GPU like the NVIDIA GeForce RTX series or AMD Radeon Pro is essential. 4. RAM and storage. A minimum of 16 GB RAM is recommended for smooth multitasking. SSD storage, preferably 5 and 12 GB or more, ensures faster file access and boot times. 5. Portability and battery life. Lightweight and long-lasting laptops are great for designers who work on the go. Now let's jump into our top recommendations. 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M2 Max, best for Mac lovers and professionals. The Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M2 Max is a powerhouse designed for creative professionals. With its Liquid Retina XDR display, incredible color accuracy, and blazing fast M2 Max chip, it handles even the most demanding graphic design tasks effortlessly. The macOS environment also integrates seamlessly with creative software like Adobe Creative Suite. Key features: M2 Max chip with up to 12-core CPU and 38-core GPU, 16GB to 96GB RAM options, stunning 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. Why it stands out: superior performance and exceptional battery life up to 21 hours. And #2. Dell XPS 15 225 edition, best for Windows users seeking a premium experience. The Dell XPS 15 is known for its sleek design and powerful hardware. The 2025 edition comes with the latest Intel Core i9 processor and an OLED display that offers deep blacks and vibrant colors, perfect for graphic design. Key features: Intel Core i9 13th Gen processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, 4K OLED display with 100% Dolby RGB color gamut. Why it stands out: compact, lightweight, and visually stunning display. 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio, best for designers who love touchscreen functionality. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio offers versatility with its convertible design. You can switch between laptop, tent, and studio mode, making it perfect for drawing and sketching with the Surface Pen. Key features: 14.4-inch Pixel Sense Flow touchscreen, 120Hz refresh rate, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU, supports Surface Pen for precise design work. Why it stands out: excellent for digital illustration and animation. 4. ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED, best for 3D artists and video editors. The ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 is built with creative professionals in mind. Its 4K OLED display is factory calibrated for color accuracy, and the customizable control dial provides added convenience for Adobe applications. Key features: AMD Ryzen 9 processor, NVIDIA RTX A5000 GPU, 4K HDR OLED display. Why it stands out: exceptional color accuracy and performance for 3D rendering. 5. HP Spectre X360 Seat, best for designers who need a 2-in-1 device. If you're looking for flexibility, the HP Spectre X316 is a great choice. It features a stunning 3K plus OLED display and convertible design, allowing you to use it as a tablet when needed. Key features: Intel Core i7 processor, Intel Iris Xe graphics or optional NVIDIA GPU, 3K plus OLED touchscreen. Why it stands out: stylish, versatile, and budget-friendly for an OLED laptop. How to choose the right laptop for your needs. When choosing the best laptop for graphic design, think about the specific tasks you'll be performing. If you're primarily working with 2D designs, a mid-range laptop with integrated graphics may be sufficient. For 3D rendering, animation, or video editing, go for a device with a high-end GPU and processor. Budget considerations. Under $1,500, great for entry-level designers. Laptops like the Dell Inspiron series and HP Envy are solid choices. $1,500, $3,000, the sweet spot for most professionals. Expect powerful specs and excellent displays. $3,000 and above, premium devices like the MacBook Pro or ASUS ProArt StudioBook offer the best performance and features. Conclusion. Investing in the best laptop for graphic design will save you time and frustration while enhancing your creative potential. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, there's a laptop on this list for every need and budget. Still unsure which laptop to choose? Think about your workflow, the software you use, and your budget. With the right laptop in hand, you'll be well equipped to bring your creative visions to life.